Good evening, guys. Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this JVC 5-disc CD player to show you. The model is XL-F154BK. But before we get into it, did you know that CDs were invented all the way back in 1979? If you didn't know, now you know. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of the device, you have your power cord input and then standard audio output right here, and then your CompuLink 3 input and output. And this particular one was manufactured in November of 1997. To connect it, you'll just plug in your power cord and your audio cable. Just match up the colors with the audio cable. And you can connect it to just about any speaker, but you probably want to use something similar to what you see here. So we'll go ahead and insert a CD for playback. It sticks out far enough to where you can put 3 in at once. And on the front panel, you have your power button right here, and then your phone's level adjustment. If you want to listen with headphones, you can do that. And then you have call, memory, random, play mode, and repeat. If you hit stop, you can turn on random mode, and then you can turn on and off program play and continue play. And then you can even set it to repeat all CDs or one CD. And then you have your disc select buttons right here, disc skip, your search buttons, stop, play pause button, and then you also have an exchange button. With that, you can change 4 of the CDs while 1 continues to play. And it does feature a 1-bit PEM DD converter. That's pretty much all there is for this 5-disc CD player. It's pretty basic. It doesn't require a remote, and it doesn't come with one either. Even if you wanted to use one with it, you can't, as there's no remote sensor built into it. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.